Very good morning to all the Python programmers. As you know that in the previous videos we discussed about the turtle programming in Python and the concept of self-driving cars. In this video we are learning about how can we display the warning messages in the Python Kinter window. With the help of the Kinter library in Python, how can we display the warning messages? Means, as you might have seen on that when you visit the different websites, if there is any security loophole is there, in case there is security issue, then it displays a flashing message over there that you have the virus warning, or there is a warning that there can be the virus in your system by clicking on this particular link or by downloading this particular file. That particular warning message is a flashing message. So we will learn today that how can we display that flashing message in Python using the Kinter module. So this is the output that today we are going to generate. So let's see with the help of programming that how can we implement this. So this is our file that we are going to write the code for the flashing warning message on screen using the Kinter module and the other modules that we will be using in our code. First of all, we need to import sys. So my dear viewers, that you might not be aware about sys. Sys is a module in Python that provides various functions and variables that are used to manipulate different parts of the Python runtime environment. This module is basically used to provide the various functions and the variables that are used. And then from Kinter import star. As you know that we are going to implement with the help of Kinter programming, so we need to import this Kinter in our program, and then import random. Another module of Python that we are using is random. It is another module which can be used to perform some action randomly, so as to get a random number, shuffle the elements randomly, and the other functions also. Then we are going to use one root variable over here, as we are going to generate the basic Kinter window, root equal to tk. Let's define the geometry of our window, root.geometry. You might have learned about this in my previous tutorials. How can we set the geometry in Python programming? And this is a geometry that we have set, and then we are going to define one function over here. That function is def color change. This is the function that we are defining. With the help of this function we will be able to generate that flashing warning message on screen in Python Kinter window. Then we are going to take one list, li1 equal to, we are going to generate define one list over here, and in this list we will define different color that is your choice, whatever colors you want to define. This I am defining by my own, and let's take the different colors, blue, and then we can take orange. Then we are defining pink. After that let's define the other colors over here. Actually these colors will help us to generate the flashing message, because the flashing message we need it flashes, and that flash is having the different colors, so we need to define the list for that. After that we are using var. Here we are going to basically define one variable, that is var dot config background equal to random dot choice, and in bracket we are passing that list. After that we need to define here basically this config method is a method that is used to specify the configuration data to your program, and it is also used to reset its option at any time. Then we have var dot after 200 comma, we are defining that function color change. Actually this 200 is a delay in milliseconds, that after this delay it will call that color change function again, because after a particular delay, after a delay of few milliseconds, it is going to flash the message again with the different color. So this delay is very small. And then we are going to define over here that basically what is var equal to label root. We are defining that variable in main root window, root equal to text, and we are defining what text we want. Text is virus warning. Here we are defining this text again, virus warning. Then we are defining font style, font equal to times, and size is 50, and then bold. It's up to you whatever size you want to define. After that we are going to define over here, then we need to define the grid method. Here we are defining one grid method. Here there is a mistake, as you can see it is showing one mistake over here. Var dot grid row equal to, we are as you know that in grid we need to define rows and columns. Column equals 0. Then we will define padding in y and x direction, pad y equal to 40 and pad x equal to 120. It's up to that particular window, according to the size of the geometry of the window you are defining the paddings. Then we are going to just call our function, that is color change. Finally root dot main loop. So we are going to call our function. This function will take the values from the list, and then it will apply the config method that will choose the colors from the list and change the background accordingly. After will give a delay of 200 milliseconds. It is going to flash the message. It is going to flash the message again with the different color. And var is a label that is added in the root with the text virus warning, and the font is times, and the size is 50, and the style is bold. Var dot grid, it will organize your message in the form of rows and columns, and the padding in the y direction is 40 and the padding in the x direction is 120. Then we are going to define that color change function, and finally root dot main loop. Now we are going to run our program. Let's see, there is an error that local variable var referenced before assignment. Okay, this error it is showing over here. So I think actually this must be defined before, this must be defined prior to using that we have defined it at the wrong place. So we are going to take it from here, and we are going to add this over here. Now let's run our program. Now you can see this is the output of our program. It is showing me the virus warning, the flashing messages with the different colors after a delay of 200 milliseconds. Whatever color I have defined, blue, pink, yellow, red, every flashing color it is going to show me. This is how you see the different flashing warning messages on the different websites. So my dear viewers, it looks difficult, but things are not difficult if you learn them properly, if you learn them in the right way. As it is a period of coronavirus, so it's best time for you to learn online and just stay home, stay safe. Thank you.